Today we're at Phillip Island for Charity Drive Days, an event that's been set up by a bunch of mates for like-minded enthusiasts to get onto the track. They've got a bunch of worthy causes that they support, and they've raised millions of dollars over the years that they've been doing it. I'm just so excited to be here. We're here today to drive something very, very special. The most exciting Ferrari road car that I think has ever been made.
Which is?
A Ferrari Daytona Competizione. I'm not very good at saying competizione.
No.
Go on, give it to me, just so I can say.
Competizione.
Competizione. Competizione?
Competizione.
Competizione. If there was ever a Ferrari road car that got turned into a race car and looked better than this, I don't know what it is. The purposeful wheel arches, little fences on the guards for aerodynamics.
That car is an absolute example of a car that's had an entire life of stories.
Yep.
It's been about 5 different colours as far as I know.
Yep.
Started life dark green with tan interior, delivered new in Australia.
Yep.
Became a comp car, has been red, has been blue, is now ivory.
Someone's got that car and decided that they want a competition Daytona, and they've gone about converting it, and every single owner that's had it has made it better, adjusted things, painted it whatever colour they want. And that's what's great about this car. Everyone's just used it as a tool to have fun. Incredible engine.
Unbelievable.
V12. I mean, what is not to like about this car? Everything is purposeful. Look at the size of the tyres,
And when you
the
think,
wheels.
like 2 class wins at Le Mans in these, that is some serious hairy chested.
So up until this point, Ferrari were known for their sports racing cars.
Yep.
Formula One, they started concentrating on Formula One around the time this car was built. So Ferrari decided, well, we'll give all our privateer clients the opportunity to go racing for us.
Yep.
So they got their road car and turned it into a competition car. And today I'm going to be driving this incredible road car turned race car on the most beautiful racing circuit, I think, in the world, and it's going to be incredible.
And I'm very excited about standing right here and watching you.
Okay, since the motor has started, I've always wanted to get out on a track car, but who'd have thought the first car we did was a Ferrari Daytona Competition. I mean, what a car to start. Oh my God, the sound of this thing is incredible. Straight away, orally, the sound of the car, because it's got straight pipes out the side. That V12's already a symphony just heading down pit lane. Oh my God! This is amazing! Thanks. And here comes a more modern Ferrari. Look at that. Okay, let's start chasing him. Love a chase. Got a lot more grip than I do. Gets a little bit light over the top of the hill here. Get in tight. Try and hold it tight. Then that 450 horsepower starts coming in. The rear end wants to break out. Woo! Oh boy, this is good. Unbelievable.
Well,
Oh my God.
it was good.
It was absolutely incredible. It was mind-blowing. You wanted to get flat out in this car at any opportunity. Anything off full throttle, it was like an angry beast. As soon as you got it onto that full throttle, everything opened up and it just sung. It sounded absolutely fantastic.
Can you imagine sharing that with someone at Le Mans for a whole day and night?
Mate, to do that much time in this car, you would have to be almost, doing beach weights every day. Brakes are great, really, really incredible brakes, but the seats aren't great just sitting here flying around the corner.
It's a Ferrari.
Everything is full on.
Sounds like a lot of hard work.
It's everything that I like about a car for a track. Like all these cars of this era, it's a car that demands some input. And the challenge of driving this car on Phillip Island with period type rubber, no power assist, great experience, something I'll never forget, that's for sure. Now you've got to get your suit on and I'm going to take you around the track in this car because it is going to blow your mind. I tried to get him into a race suit but he wasn't having a bar of it. So I strapped him in and then took him for a bit of a spin. Are you alright, Benny? You're looking a bit white.
No, mate, I'm having a terrific time. Imagine doing this for a day and a night.
Mate, the thing is actually beautiful to drive, but you feel the weight. It's got a nice balance. Obviously, it's got a transaxle rear end. So normally, like when Benny and I are in the car together, we're, you know, chatting. Like, Benny doesn't want to shut up, and I just want to listen to the engine noises and stuff like that. Well, we just listened to the engine noises because he could not hear a thing. We couldn't hear each other. You excited yet?
It's good fun.
You've always been the guy that just loves driving road cars. This is what cars like this is all about.
You walk away from it, even as a passenger, and you think that is a really serious bit of kit. You marvel at the grip. You marvel at the torque. You marvel at the brakes. You get the impression that that car could be driven around Le Mans to the red line in every gear for an entire day, an entire night. Nothing can hurt it. We spent the morning going around the circuit, and it is a magnificent circuit. Phillip Island is a great place.
I was having the time of my life.
The time of his life. It was all a bit hard work for me. You go round and round, you don't go anywhere. I like the simpler things in life and the more comfortable things in life, and I like arriving somewhere when I set out to go somewhere. So I thought it would be a fabulous idea if we found a Ferrari Grand Tourer of the same period, but of a different flavour.
What have you gone and got now?
I know you like racing cars.
That's what we're here to do.
I know, mate, but it's all a bit much going round and round in circles for me.
Well, I'm not going around the track in that.
There's no point. We're going to go Grand Touring. And now I'm excited. I'm excited. Come on, Grand Touring.